I'm in my element. Money getting bigger, that's the evidence. They wanna see me fall, I promise you I never slip. I'm on the grind, do it for the dead presidents. Dead presidents.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm coming to you today with this look that I created right here. So if you like, please stay tuned, but first don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click on the bell down below so I can let you know every time I upload. Thanks guys. So first I'm taking Broadway's cream concealer, and this is in Beige Glow, and I'm going to be putting that all over my eyelids and blending it out with my finger. And to set that concealer, I'm going to be using Airspun translucent powder. So for a transition color, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow from Glamour, and it's in the color Heartthrob, and I'm going to be taking that on my outer V and blending into my crease. Using this E.L.F. palette, I'm going to be taking that bottom green color, and I'm going to be placing that all over my lid, all the way up a little bit past my crease area. Now from a different E.L.F. palette, I'm going to be using that yellow color, and I'm going to be blending that green out that I placed all over my lid. To highlight my brow bone, I'm going to be using Laura Geller's Ballerina. To line my eyes, I'm going to be using E.L.F.'s liquid liner, and I'm going to be going for a more dramatic wing this time, and it's going to end basically where the edge of the eyeshadow ends. After applying false lashes off camera, I'm going to be highlighting using NYX Caramel and Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind in Caramel as well. And I'm going to be highlighting underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, forehead, cupid's bow, and chin. To set everywhere I concealed, I am going to be using Nice translucent powder in Topaz. I'm going to be contouring with Black Opal's foundation stick, and this is in the shade Black Walnut, and I'm going to be contouring my cheekbones, forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and underneath my chin. And to set that contour, I'm going to be using Black Radiance Contour Kit in medium to dark. Now with the face brush, I'm just going to be blending out my whole entire face and to make sure I take away all excess powder. To line my bottom lash line, so the next color I use can stand out a bit more, I'm using NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. So on top of that, the color that I use is from the BH Cosmetics Supernova Palette, and it's in the shade Pisces. And now cleaning up any mistakes, I am taking just a small flat brush and my concealer. Lining my waterline, I'm using this eyeliner from Smashbox, and it's in the color Fishnet. Finishing off my bottom lashes, I'm using M.A.C False Lash Extreme Black Mascara. In my inner tear duct, I'm using this LA Colors Gold Loose Eyeshadow. And now for highlight, I'm going to be using this highlighter from Laura Geller, and it's called Ballerina. And I'm going to be highlighting the top of my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow. For lips, I'm going to be taking this lip liner that I got from my local beauty supply store, and I'm just going to be lining the outer portions of my lips. Then I'm going to be taking LA Colors Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the color Perception, and I'm going to be filling in the rest of my lips, which after I put that color on, I really didn't like how it came out, so I took this nude liquid lipstick from my local beauty supply store, and I just put that right on top. Last step is to use NYX matte face spray and a face brush just to blend out my face once again. And that is the end of the tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you guys once again for watching. Later, guys. gotta take a second to thank every single one of you guys, because I got 50 subscribers, and I know y'all gonna be like, that's only 50, girl, calm down. But you know, I was hyped over one. I was like, who got 1 subscriber? I got 1 subscriber. Child, child, please, please. Now I got 50. I got 50. Honey, I got 50.